Okay, I'm going to create a navigation button that will complement the one that's already there, known as the menu button. And to do that, I'll begin by choosing a shape. I'll go up to the Insert menu button, select Shape. I'll choose another square, put it where I'd like. Notice that Google instinctively gives me a similar button on the one that's already there, so I don't need to play around with sizing. I would then want to fill this in with some color. I'll go up to the Fill button. I'll choose what color I deem appropriate. And then I can put text in here as well. I'm going to choose to put in Slide 3. It's too big. I'll reformat it to 12. Now I want to create a link with this. I'll go up to Insert Link, and I want to go to slide number 3. Apply, and we're done. Oh, well, almost done. We now want to move this down here, so we select and then drag and drop it. We're not quite done there. You'll notice that it's not on any of the other slides. Now it's possible for me to take this group of slides, copy it, and then go to Other Slides to paste it. There are other ways of achieving this, but for right now this is the simplest to demonstrate. So I can go to each one of my slides and realize those menu buttons. Done.